Usually when you think of spring cleaning, you think about closets, storage rooms, and maybe the garage. But there's also some spring cleaning you can do while lying on the couch watching March Madness.
That's my kind of a job right there. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker explains why and how the best spring cleaning project is right there on your computer.
Over time, our computer screen gets filled up with icons for programs and files and documents and projects and games. It doesn't bother some people, but for others like me with a little OCD, this is absolute chaos. It's distracting. With a few steps, we can bring some order to this madness. You can do it on any computer. For this example, we're going to use a PC. First, put all the programs and files you need every day off to the side. For everything else, we'll create folders. For photos, documents, current projects, you decide. I created this folder for programs I rarely open and then drag those icons into the folders. You can delete what you don't need, but remember, these icons are just shortcuts, not the actual programs. Organizing these icons generally does the trick, but a busy desktop background can make files hard to see. You may want a picture of the kids, which is fine, or choose a blank background for icons to stand out. Or, and I love this, use a desktop wallpaper that acts like an organizer. You can find these free online. This one has space for programs that you use every day, quick backups, permanent, personal stuff, and miscellaneous. Or create your own with a program like the web app Canva. Name each section of the wallpaper and move the icons where you can find them when you need them. There, a definite improvement. It's most helpful on laptop computers with a smaller screen. Everything's in its place, a lot less distracting, which means you can work a lot easier and be more efficient. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.